Today, I'll be making homemade tonkatsu sauce.
こんにちは、I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook.
Whenever we eat Japanese cutlets like tonkatsu and chicken katsu, we drizzle this savory, sweet, and tangy tonkatsu sauce. You can buy tonkatsu sauce from the store or easily make it at home with just 4 ingredients.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to click the bell icon for new updates. Now let's get started.
In a small bowl, combine 4.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 5 tablespoons of ketchup. Whisk well until the sugar is completely dissolved. To make sesame tonkatsu sauce, grind 1 tablespoon of toasted white sesame seeds and 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds in a mortar and pestle. Then add in the tonkatsu sauce and mix it all together. You can drizzle tonkatsu sauce or dip your favorite tonkatsu in the sesame tonkatsu sauce to enjoy. いただきます。
I hope you enjoy this recipe and check out more of my videos here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!